Hi. In the previous video, we talked about how to get all the rows from a table. In this video, we'll see how can we get a specific row. In our example, we have an orders table. Let's say we're going to get a specific order. We have an order ID, and this will be our input parameter, and we want to get all the details for this specific order ID. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on the first row of the table, and I'm going to click on the field that I'm going to use as my identifier. In my case, it's going to be the ID. Obviously, in your case, it might be something else. So I'm clicking on the ID, and then I want to execute a query. I can either use a toolbar or use some key binding. I will use a toolbar, and I'm going to enter a query. And now I'm going to enter the ID that I want to fetch. So let's say 5041. And now I'm going to execute the query. And I got all the details, all the data for the specific order. So I'm clicking on all the output parameters that I want to generate, all the columns. And I'm not going to click on page down here because we only have one row. We don't have any other rows that we want to fetch. So let's do save and exit. So now we have the service get order, and we'll create it. And now let's test it. So I can see I have this order number as an input parameter. Let's try to get this order, 5041. And we can see we got all the data for this order. And of course, we can try to find different orders. Let's do 5058. I'm going to run the test. And now we just executed a different query. So this is how to get a specific row of data from a table. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to remove a specific row. Thank you.